Imagine your dog just got attacked and you take it to the veterinary hospital. As soon as you get there, a team of veterinary technicians rush and try to work together to help save your beloved pet. Typically, a lot of people acknowledge the veterinarian without giving a second thought as to what veterinary technicians do behind the scenes. And if you really think about it, most pet owners will come into the veterinary hospital at least once a year, but not understand the role of veterinary technicians and how it helps their pets. Veterinary technicians are very important when it comes to vet med, especially because they are directly involved in patient care, they learn specialized skills, and they truly build connections and trust with both the patient and the owner. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the day-to-day responsibilities, the skills needed to perform the job, and just how much of an impact they truly have on both, again, the patients and the clients. Vet techs do a wide range of things during the day. According to the AVMA, American Veterinary Medical Association, they obtain patient histories, they perform laboratory procedures, they collect specimens, and they also educate clients. But what they did leave out is they also administer medications, they perform x-rays and other diagnostic imaging. So although people may think that a veterinary technician's role is not very important, it's actually it has a major impact in the day-to-day flow of the hospital. They have a major impact in the treatment, monitoring, care of patients. They also perform medical procedures, and in order to perform those medical procedures, they need to learn the specialized skills. Some of those skills include IV catheter placement. They include performing dental cleanings, assisting in surgery, monitoring anesthesia, and responding to emergent situations. According to AHA, which is the American Animal Hospital Association, in order to become a veterinary technician, a person has to be well-rounded in biology, chemistry, and algebra. A person also needs to do an 18 to 36 month-long course where they'll go over animal restraint and handling, anatomy and physiology, pharmacology, medical terminology, radiology, nursing, surgical nursing, and anesthesiology. With these skills and knowledge, they have a major impact on patient care. Veterinary technicians also build connections and trust with patients and with clients. Their role is very important when it comes to supporting clients on both happy days and difficult days. If you really think about it, a pet becomes family. And when something happens to family, it's super, super hard to maintain composure. That's when we as veterinary technicians come in. We provide emotional support, comfort, and compassion. Tender Paws Hospice states that we as veterinary technicians spend the most time out of anyone in the hospital with both the clients and the patients, which in turn helps us build connections and helps us build trust, which is very important when it comes to situations. We have the ability to calm anxious pets and to reassure worried owners. And although it's not really thought about, it's a very important part of veterinary medicine. So with this presentation, I showed how veterinary technicians are a vital part of vet med, and the knowledge and skills needed to do are just as important. I want you to think back to the dog that got rushed in during during the attack. The veterinarian creates a treatment plan. We as veterinary technicians carry out the treatment plan, monitor the patient, place the catheter, do the blood draw, take x-rays, and continue to monitor. Although we don't get the praise that veterinary technicians deserve, their passion and dedication make a difference in both the world of the clients and their patients. So as soon as you get to a veterinary hospital, just think about your veterinary technicians and just how much they do, because every pet that gets to go home healthy is a reminder of how important the teamwork between veterinarians and veterinary technicians is. Thank you.